Man, what is up, guys? Only the greatest Chris here. Today we got a little car update. That's too zoomed in, but it's a little update right here. Changed the rims to Lexus IS 250s. We did yellow calipers, yellow drums in the back. I gotta respray paint all of this. My mama. So far, it looks better than what it was. But let's get into this drive. Let's get up into this drive. It's raining, as usual. I'm spin over here. My steering wheel always crying. Damn. You almost hit me. Let's go ahead and get into this. Let's go ahead and get into it. Coming off the pavement. Hop up on this E, see what they got, see what we're working with. Trash all out here. Up on the E-way real quick. Everybody pushing it. Oh, let me get up. Sheesh. Come on. Come on. Let me get in. Let me go ahead and get in. Thanks. Appreciate it. Everybody pushing, bro. Like my tire needs some air. What it feel like. Boy, got in where you fit at. Get off that cotton. Let me speed on up a little bit. Just gonna get on over here. Traffic jam. In a matter of seconds. Damn. It's crazy. Do it too much. Just want to feed it, but not too much. I'm confused when y'all turn. Y'all should go into the right lane and not this lane. What is wrong with y'all? Like, is y'all stupid? Y'all playing it. It's the worst highway in mankind. Whoever built this, they need to, yeah. Like, it's just too much of everything. Then it's just impossible. We all gonna die. We all gonna die right here, my mama. Like, look, this car in my rearview mirror. We finna die. We finna die. We finna get rear-ended and all. I'm cold, bro. Like, my mom, let me put this. There we go. Big boy Target truck. Try to finesse him? Nope. Made no sense. Nice look, nice Tesla. Man, it's a Model. It's not the thing Model X. I don't know, he debadged that drone. But why am I in this lane? Like, let me get the hell out this lane. It's so stupid. Like, really stupid, bro. Let me get up in here. Let me film that Dodge Charger, like, for real though. He's just cruising. Here's a Daytona. Bye, boy. Boy's just cruising back there. You don't want it. He just know at any point, if he tries something, he gonna slide right in the rain. At any point, given. I make my own lane. It's my fast lane now. Even though you're gonna die. Potholes everywhere, bro. My mama. Let's go ahead and cover a little bit. Don't mac while doing it. Yeah, boy. Smooth like butter. Look at that Tesla. Smooth like butter. Smooth like butter. Let's shoot behind me right now. Forget it. We're pushing 80. 80. Smooth like butter. Go ahead and cut back over. Bro, it's two Teslas. Bet they're together. Go ahead and cut on over. Car inside of me. No, it ain't. Let me go ahead and cut over. Go ahead and cut on over. Acting like a little girl. Keep straight. We're gonna keep straight. And I swear to God, on everything I love, these people cannot drive. Like Kia drivers cannot drive, bro. I bet it's a bunch of old people too. They can't drive. My mama. Get your ugly stuff off the street. Man. Look at that Corolla. Some ugly rims. Drawn by another rims. I'm trying to go too crazy. I'm trying to go too crazy. I'm trying to go too crazy. Actually, I'm cutting over here because only smart people know how to cut over here. And that, stuck in your lane. Buddy with the Mercedes. That jump bombed out though. And I'm finna cut him off. That thing is moving, bro. My mama. Give me some action. Okay, I see how it is. That thing moving. Going live. But we move, bro. You can have some of what you don't want. That's how we finesse. Let me turn my feet up to my windows. I'm with whatever. I'm with whatever, bro. Look, I'm trying to catch up to me. I'm trying to catch up to me. Crazy. You don't want it, bro. If you want it, come up to me if you want it. Like, look at them. Bro, it smells good around. I smell some good old food. My mama. Bro, everybody is driving slow. Oh, that's why. Roast. Need to find somebody to do a collab with, like whoever in my area should hit me up so we do a little collab and all that. Feel me? Forgot today is Sunday. People at church. Like, comment, subscribe. If you don't, you owe me $5,000. Go ahead and subscribe, bro. Unless you owe me $5,000. If you don't, you owe me $5 grand. I'm gonna get it from you one way or another. All right, man. Peace.